Mrs Davies and this is my daughter. I'm a geography secondary school teacher and we love doing geography experiments and we'd love for you to join in at home. You will need 2 containers or bowls, ideally see-through, an egg or a soap or something that will sink in water, and some salt and plenty of it. So the Earth is made up of about 71% water, hence the blue planet. The oceans and seas are saltwater. Rivers and lakes and water vapour in the air are freshwater. About 96.5% of the Earth's water is in oceans. We're going to put the egg in the fresh water and let's see what happens. Be very gentle. Drop it in. What happened to the egg? It sank. Let's get the egg back out. Can you get the egg? Right, now put it in the salt water. Well, gently would have been alright. Look, it's floating. Wow. The egg floats. Put it back in that one. And it sinks. And back in this one. So less than 4% is fresh water that can be used for human drinking. Of this 4%, 68% of fresh water is locked up in ice and glaciers, which is difficult to access for drinking. And a further 30% is in the ground, also difficult to access for drinking. Only around 1% of fresh water is in rivers or at the surface, and it is this small amount of water that people rely on to drink. The Dead Sea, located between Israel and Jordan, has a high salt content and is a popular tourist destination for people to swim and float in. Brackish water condition commonly occurs when fresh water, like a river, meets seawater, and geographers are really interested in this. Why don't you have a go at this experiment? Try different things to the egg. Thank you for watching today's experiment, and we'll be back next week with a new one. Bye!